Hi guys, Harry here from the Motor Yacht Department at Berthon. Today we are on a boat called Tojo. It's a Fairline Targa 45 GT, 2023 model. She's just ticked over 70 hours and will be coming to market very soon. We're going to do a full walk around tour. There's a sea trial video that's coming and full photo shoot, and obviously full specification that will be available with Berthon International. Let's take a look on board. So let's start in the cockpit area. Obviously, as I said, she's the GT version, so she does fully enclose. This is part of the glass window here, which just clips in there, and then obviously this door slides back and completely encloses the full inner cockpit area. Out here, your full sort of L seating area, finished in this really nice upholstery, diamond stitch, and then this table just folds out for dining. Also this backrest here, this slides towards me and creates just a larger sun pad, just really nice area when lounging about. No lazarette space up here, however there is access down to the engines there and generator, etc. There is, you know, a bit of space to store stuff. Also, you've got a garage underneath here. There's a little tender in there with an electric outboard, but you could fit a Williams jet tender in there if needs be. You've got a high-low bathing platform, which is very efficient, just drops fully down. And of course, bathing ladder that comes out. But yeah, really nice. Once at anchor, drop that down, obviously have the tender out. You know, have a seat, enjoy a beer or whatever. So yeah, nice area. Let's move forward. Have a look at front deck later. But yeah, just open that up. Look how easy that is. Just coming in. A little fridge there, pop-up telly, and just various other storage. You've got head units for the sound system pretty much everywhere. You've got one zone out there, one zone in here, and then in cabins. She was originally spec'd for the Med, so she hasn't got a passenger rail, but she's got air conditioning, and obviously all the amenities that you need. Looking at the Helm. So just looking at the Helm, she is spec'd with a Seakeeper, which is a major thing once at anchor. It's a great thing to have. And then she has a Garmin system, which obviously integrates with Volvo quite nicely. She's on IPS, which is really easy to use. She's got this docking system, high mode system. Also, quite like this. So once you put her in gear, this is quite nice when you're going down the river. You just click that, and then you can turn when you're going along, basically, without using the steering wheel. It's a lot more effective, and you've got a lot more control when you're going slowly down the river. Just turn that. So yeah, no, pretty simple setup on the front. Obviously, you've got a smaller Garmin. You could possibly fit a larger Garmin there, but this also acts as a chart plotter, and you've got all your engine systems up here as well. So you've got a little chart plotter there, and it's exactly the same as this, but slightly smaller. And also you've got your an autopilot, but this is set up on this screen, so it's not separate. It's all joined into one, which is really good. Right, move on down. So this is a 3-cabin layout. You have a 3-cabin layout or a 2-cabin layout. This family have gone for the 3-cabin layout purely because of kids. So we've got a bunk set up here, and then through there, you've got heads access, which you share with the forward cabin. full separate shower and sink. You can also have this as a scissor berth. So if you had two separate mattresses underneath here, you just unclip that. They come to one side, so you have two singles. Plenty of storage all around. Obviously you've got aircon heating unit over here. Storage underneath the bed and large wardrobe. So yeah, you've got a pretty full-size galley here. I mean, it's all nicely tucked away. You've got a combi oven, grill there, microwave as well. Obviously you've got a sink, worktop, storage units. Also you've got your holding tank flush out here and gauge for the fresh water. Full-size fridge, under-counter fridge, sorry. There's a large compartment and then other drawers and a hob obviously there. Underneath here, I won't open up because there's another bit of wood that you have to move, but that's deep storage and obviously into the bilges. And now we'll go into the master. Again, separate shower, heads and sink. Just got your fuse board in there. And obviously just full walk around berth. And lots of natural light coming in. Let's go take a look out on deck. So we have got full teak cockpit and bathing platform, but they've decided not to spec the teak on the side decks, which is actually quite a good idea because actually it still looks really nice. It's got this non-slip service. You've got a full sun pad area up here. It's the same material as the rear cockpit. And you just see that full sliding roof, which really just opens up the whole area. Cup holders, etc. You've got hatchmate into the front cabin. A really nice stainless steel ultra anchor. Lumar windlass and plenty of stainless chain. Really safe walking around. These big solid stainless steel handrails, you feel really safe whilst walking around, which is great. And obviously, I didn't show you the wet bar, but so obviously you've got a bit of a wet bar in here, but you've got a grill and tap here, and then underneath here is just a bin, bit of storage there. You've got your controls for the bathing platform and the garage there. So that's it. Tojo Fairline Targa 45 GT, going to be coming to market very soon. Let's take her for a cruise. So we're just off Hurst Castle at the moment. Absolutely stunning day. We've been doing lots of filming around the Needles, which is great. So as I mentioned, she's powered by a D6 block on an IPS units. I mean, cruising, we're probably going to be cruising about 20 knots and top end about just under 30 with this, which is actually, you know, perfect for what we need. Yeah, it's been a stunning flat day. I took her out the other day in a bit of rough stuff, but she handles like a dream. Let's just see what she can do. It's 24 knots. .26. Just going to bank a turn to the right now. Still at 27 knots, banked hard. But averagely, we've been burning about 52 litres an hour. At full chat, you're going to be burning about another 100. So I'm going to cool it down to cruise, 18 to 20 knots, right? And now we're burning about, just let it settle, about 70 litres an hour, which is still pretty good for the size of the boat. So yeah, this system works really well. It's really easy to use, pretty idiot proof, and it all integrates with Garmin, so you can get it on here as well. And that's about it, guys. As I mentioned, we've done a full sea trial, drone footage, full walkthrough, which you've just seen. We're going to do a separate walkthrough as well. Just let us know if you want to come view her. She's based in Lymington at Berthon Marina. Thanks, guys.